By the end of this video, you are going to get 30 gig free data limit, and there is one last thing I will reveal by the end of the video. Let's get started. Search winscribe.com, click on download. I am using Windows, so I'm going to download for Windows. Save. There is also a Mac version, Linux, and even Android. My download is complete, so I'm going to go ahead and install the desktop app. Click on get started. Now enter a username and a password, and make sure you enter your email address because we need it for the next step. Then click on create account to generate a captcha for you. Enter the captcha and click on create account again. Now from here, click on my account. As you can see our account, let's scroll down to bandwidth usage. You can see it's 2 gig over here. So what we need to do is to verify our email address and be rewarded 10 gig. Obviously refresh your browser if you are not seeing any email from Winscribe. Just click on the mail and scroll down. Just click on confirm email for 10 gig. That's all. Email confirmed. Now let's move back to my account and refresh it. You can see I have 10 gig over here. To get the 30 gig, we need to just click on claim voucher and enter this code here. I'll leave the code in the description below and click on claim. That's all. Our account is now 30 gig. I'll go ahead and open the app now with my login details. And you can see we now have 30 gig over here. Turn it on, and then let me try using what's my IP to check the IP address. If it's not working, it's fine. You just need to come back to the app and then click here and then change your protocol to any of the protocols listed here. Turn it off, then turn it back on for your changes to take effect. I'm going to check my IP to verify the VPN is working. And as you can see, I have the same IP on the desktop app. Another thing I like about Winscribe is their browser's extension. Now, so go back to winscribe.com and then download Chrome extension. And there's also an extension for Firefox and Edge. I'm using Chrome, so I'll just hit on the download and then add the extension to my browser. Make sure you're not doing this whole thing in incognito mode. I like pinning my extensions and then also using them in incognito mode, so I'm going to allow it here. This is a personal preference. We can now go ahead and click on the Winscribe extension. Log in with the details we created. I'm confirming we still have our 30 gig. So I'm going to turn this on and try it. Let me just close the desktop app so we know we are using only the extension. I will check my IP address again to confirm it is working. Finally, the last thing I promised to tell you at the end of the video is that this 30 gig data limit is being reset every month, hence it's more like a free VPN.